Hi, and welcome back to Alt Baking Bootcamp. I'm Mia Rigden, nutritionist, chef, and the founder of Rasa. Today we are making maybe the easiest recipe we've ever done here on Alt Baking Bootcamp, a two-step fudge. All right, so this fudge only has 3 ingredients: semi-sweet chocolate chips, full-fat coconut milk, and vanilla extract. Classic fudge uses whole milk or condensed milk, sugar, and butter. So we're swapping for a vegan option here using the coconut milk. We're omitting the sugar altogether and relying on the sweetness that's already found in the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and we're just omitting the butter altogether. So this recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, nut-free, and vegan. We're hitting all the spots here today. Okay. So first I'm gonna start with the coconut milk. We've used this ingredient so many times here on Alt Baking Bootcamp, but I always look for a full-fat, unsweetened coconut milk that has a BPA-free label on it, because we wanna make sure that the can that we're using doesn't have any unnecessary chemicals in it. And then today we're using semi-sweet chocolate chips, and these are vegan. Most chocolate chips are vegan by nature unless they have some milk in it, so it's really easy to find vegan chocolate chips. And we're using a teaspoon of vanilla extract just to add a little extra flavor in there. So now I'm just gonna heat this up, give it a good stir until it's melted, and pour it into our baking dish. Okay, so I wasn't kidding when I said 2 steps. It's literally melt and pour. So now I'm just gonna throw this in the freezer, and I'm gonna let it sit for a minimum of 2 hours, and then we can cut it and try it. Oh, there's chocolate on me. Oh, there's so many more. Make sure you wear an apron when you make your fudge, otherwise you're gonna get chocolate all over your white shirt. All right, so now I'm ready to give it a try. So you can see it's nice and thick. Yeah, it feels just as creamy as a regular fudge, and I like how frozen it is. It almost gives me like a little chocolate ice cream vibes. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this episode of Alt Baking Bootcamp. I can't wait to hear how your two-step fudge turns out. You can find the recipe in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube page so you don't miss another episode of Alt Baking Bootcamp.